Dear brother and sister Dr. Susie Ismail, renowned speaker, author, visiting professor of Rutgers University, said about Elhaam Islamic Academy. At a time when our Muslim American youth are struggling with questions of identity, faith, and Islamophobia, thriving in a safe space and a nurturing Islamic environment is critical. Elhaam Academy promises to deliver on the academic, social, and relational needs of our youth to foster a strong Islamic identity in generations to come. Under the advisement of Dr. Jamila Jones, a seasoned educator and a leader in the field of Islamic education, Elhaam Academy will, inshallah, be a welcome addition to the NYC Islamic School Network. Join our open house on August 24th, Saturday, 3 p.m. Call 1-866-935-4226. Location 8741, 165th, St. Jamaica, NY 11432.